Okay, so how you can reset Adobe Audition? Well, it's a very interesting process compared with other softwares. So what you have to do first is to actually close Adobe Audition. So close Adobe Audition, I'm going to press Command Q, and now it's closed. Well, now what I have to do is to go to Adobe Audition. And here, when you open Adobe Audition, where is it? Let's locate it. Adobe Audition. Why I can't see it? Well, where where is it? And anyways, now when you open Adobe Audition, you have to press and hold the Shift Control Alt on Windows and Shift Command Option on Mac. And I'm gonna press now Shift Command and Option, and then you just, while you're holding this simultaneously, while you're holding down these keys, double click the Adobe Audition shortcut to launch the program. And now let's actually hold this and double click, and now this way you actually resetted the program. So now if you see, and I'm sure if you will see, but if you see a box asking you, a window, whatever, asking you if you want to reset the preferences, click yes or okay to confirm, but usually you don't have to. You will just reset if you do this correctly. So please press and hold down Shift Control Alt or Shift Command option on Mac simultaneously, and while you're holding down these commands, I'll just open Adobe Audition. All right, now another method to reset is just basically, and it just basically reinstall Adobe Audition. You can, if resetting preferences doesn't solve your issue, you can just reinstall, as I said. And uninstalling, guys, you can just go to Control Panel, uninstall the application, or Mac, just drag and the Adobe Audition in the what it's called, the bin, the bin. And now also you can try and read-download the latest version of Adobe Audition from the official Adobe website. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.